What is the MyPT account? You need to have a MyPT account to book your PT test and also to view your results. In order to create the account, you need to have a passport and an email. You always have the option of creating your own account through the Pearson PT website, but PT Labs can also create the MyPT account for you. Since PT Labs is an official Pearson partner, we can create your accounts through the Pearson PTE partner portal. If you would like to create your account with PT Labs, you can provide your details in the registration Google form, or else if you are an already registered student, you can always send us an email request to the info@theptlabs.com email address to create your account for you. We will then send you a Google form where you need to enter your details. Then we create your account within 2 to 3 days. Once your account is created, you will receive an email from the Pearson portal asking you to create a password. You can click on the create password option in the email. Then you will be directed where you need to change the password. You can enter a password according to your preference and click on reset password. Then your account is good to go. Once you're logged in to the Pearson account, you can cross check and confirm your details and send us an email that your details are accurate. That's how you create the MyPT account with PT Labs. Or else you can also create your MyPT account through the Pearson PT website. Just click on the sign in or create account option. Then you will have the steps ahead to create your account. But when you're creating your account by yourself, there could be risks involved. For example, you need to make sure that you enter your personal details that's exactly mentioned in your passport's biodata page. So one risk could be, as you can see, there are only two fields that's mentioned for you to enter your names. As Sri Lankans, we might have more than two names. So if you made mistakes and create your account, there will be consequences. So you need to be very careful when you enter your details. After you create your account and book your test, and also you're ready to go, when you go to the exam center on your test date, the examiner will cross check your details that you have entered to the MyPT account with the details that you have mentioned in your passport's biodata page. If the information does not match, if there's a single error in the information that you have entered, they will not allow you to take the test, and the test money that you have paid for the test will also not be reimbursed, right? So you need to be really careful when you're creating, or if you're creating your account by yourself. So we would advise you to uh, let us take the risk for you and create the account for you. We have special agents to create the MyPT accounts, and we also go through a double verification process to make sure that your details are accurate. Once you create your account, or once PT Labs has created the account for you, do not edit your personal information. If there are edits or if there are changes that you need to make in the accounts that's created through PT Labs, let us know and then we will edit it for you, right? And do not create multiple accounts. If you have accounts already, don't go ahead and create multiple accounts. That could again lead into hassle and they might not let you take the test. So that's something that we are going to avoid. Okay, so that's it. We have created the account now. Now let's have a look on how to book your test through the MyPT account.
Alright, so before you book the exam, you have to log into your Pearson account. You can type your username and the password, and then you have to click login to log into your Pearson account. Once you log into your account, you will see on the left hand side there's a box here as find your test. And from here you have to select the country that you're planning to go to. If the country that you're planning to go to is not mentioned here, you can go ahead with the option as other. And if there are two countries that you're planning to move to, but you have still not decided which one, you can select the option as multiple. So for now, I'm going to select the country as New Zealand, and you have to click the next button. Once you click the next button, you have to select the purpose, whether you are going for study purposes, whether you're going to work there, or whether you're going to settle in that particular country. So for now, I'm going to select work as a purpose, and here you will see the ideal exam that you have to book. So if you are planning to move to UK, the United Kingdom, the exam will appear here as book PTE UKVI, because for UK you have to do the UKVI examination, not PT academic. But for all of the other countries, the most ideal examination would be to do the PT academic exam. So from here you have to select book PT academic option, and you'll be taken to a few questions that you have to answer before you book the exam. So these are the booking questions that you have. For these, you have to give you the correct details and make sure you read everything before you agree. So for now, I'm just going to click on the agree option here. But when you are booking the exam, make sure that you read all the sentences given here, all the details given here before you give your answers. And for this one also, I'm just going to, for these questions, I'm just going to add a few options. Right, and you have to click the next button. Once you click the next button, you'll be taken to a few policies that they have under PTE examination. So again, at the end, you have the agree option here. But before you click agree, make sure that you read all the details here, because here they have given you a few things that you need to know about what you have to do on the test day, what you have to do at the test center, and they have mentioned about the rescheduling policy as well. So make sure that you read everything before you click the agree button. Once you click agree, you'll be taken to another interface where you have to select the test center that you're going to do the exam in. Right, so from here, for the current location, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the current location as Sri Lanka, and you can search from here. So if you're planning to do the examination in a different country, you can always select the country. You can type the country and search, and you'll be and all the test centers which are available in that country will be given to you over here. If you scroll down, you'll see the test centers. So the first three are the ones that we have in Sri Lanka. So out of these three, I'm going to go ahead and book my exam at Unity Plaza. Here you can see a calendar icon. Once you click the calendar icon, you can see the available dates. So for the month of May, there are no available slots for now. So let's go to the next month in June, right? So if you click the arrow here, you'll be taken to the next month. So here in June, we have a few dates which are available. So I'm going to book the examination on 14th of June, and once you select the date, there will be a few options given for you for the time slots. So these are the time slots that the examination will be conducted in. You can select the time that is convenient for you. So for me, I'm going to select 11:30 as the most convenient time for me to sit for the exam. And once you click the option as book, you'll be taken to the payment procedure. So here you'll be the total that you have to pay will be mentioned over here. And once you click proceed to checkout, from there you can make the payment and you can book the examination.
For more information, visit the Pearson PTE website. Thank you.